how to create a Stripe payment link. Well, to create a Stripe payment link, you'll have to first log into your dashboard. If you have an account already, proceed to log in here, and then you can proceed to log into your dashboard. Once you have logged into your dashboard, what you want to do is here, as you can see, you want to click on more in the navigation menu and click on payment links option. So you want to click on more, and then from there you want to head into payment links. So once you have done so, then you want to, on the payment links option, you want to click on the purple plus new button in the top right corner. Towards the top right you'll find it. Then open the Stripe dashboard, and then you can proceed to tap on payments and select payment links and tap create plus icon as well. Then select your configuration type, choose products or subscriptions to sell specific catalog items at a fixed or recurring rate. Then you also want to choose customers choose what to pay, if you want to collect open-ended donations, tips, or custom invoiced payouts and such. And you can add in your product details, customize advanced options, and set the post-payment behavior, and generate and share your link. It's pretty simple and easy. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you here in detail, but I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.